Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS Ninja latest experience for the 2023 batch. If you are preparing for the Ninja interview or if you are selected through the NQT exam, so this video is very helpful for all of you, because in this video we will discuss about the today's experience that is related to 15 September 2022 morning slot of 11:30 p.m. and candidate Ayush shared all the questions that is related to TR, MR and HR. And one of the most important point, this all videos are very helpful for all of you, because we already made so many good videos for all of you on our channel Online Learning, and so many candidates got the offer letter from the TCS in the previous year that is related to the 2022 batch. Hello sir, thank you for guiding us. Today I receive offer letter from TCS. Your video help lot. Thank you sir, I am selected for the Wipro. So many MNCs that is related to, we already provide so many videos that is related to how to start preparation with free resources and TCS digital interview preparation, and we also provide the TCS live mock interview at minimal price, not so much like 200 or 100 rupees. It is only related to the 80 rupees. You can book any of the slot and give your actual mock interview. Okay, so let's start the video. And this is related to important points. So the candidate name is Ayush Kumar and branch is computer science engineering, batch is 2023 batch. So Ayush just shared one note with all of you, like first of all, thanks to Online Learning team for providing free interview preparation and resources. My senior suggested me this channel. He is from the 2022 batch and cracked TCS Ninja the previous year. Okay, so already 500 candidates placed from our channel previously, that is related to 2022 batch in the TCS Ninja or in the TCS digital examination, and all we also provide so many different MNCs preparation also. So if we talk about the today's interview experience, so the panelist is 3 members: the TR technical round, MR managerial round and HR round. Okay, so this type of 3 rounds are generally conducted in the interview. The first question is from Ayush, is tell me about yourself. In this, Ayush mentioned the next important point, resume, because he mentioned that I mentioned Python and in subject DBMS and object oriented programming in my resume. So the next questions from Python and related to OOPS DBMS itself. I already mentioned in the previous video, like 80 to 90% chances is your questions, the chances is the most questions are from your resume, because if you mention any of the skills in your resume and if you mention in your tell me about yourself or in the introduction, so most probably the chances is the next questions related to that technology only. Okay, this is one of the most important point that you have to know about this. So what are the some next question that is related to the technical round? So this is the technical round question that Ayush shared. Difference between Python and C++, because this is very a basic question, and Ayush also mentioned that the Python in the programming language section, he mentioned that there is a Python, in the subject there is a DBMS and object oriented programming. So most probably Ayush mentioned that the 80 to 90% questions are from resume. Why Python is popular? Can you know the logic of palindrome? Okay, so like what is the logic of palindrome? What is NumPy? Pillars of object oriented programming, what is normalization, explain all forms, like you have to mention 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, what is NoSQL database. These all questions are, okay, these all questions are friends from resume. Means the 80 to 90% questions are from resume. And finally Ayush finished with the technical round, because these are the 8 questions that is asked by the interviewer. So you have to prepare accordingly to your resume. If you are from non-CSIT branch, so you mention any of the non-technical skills, so you have to prepare very well according to them. For the technical round, I already suggested you what are the best resources. If I talk about the managerial round, so the second is from the MR round, and the second topic or second questions is from the managerial, so that is related to explain your project. So the Ayush completed the project on the DevOps, so there are so many questions from DevOps. Basic questions related to projects, like are you a team leader and what are the technologies, okay, in used programming language used, what are the some software that you used to build up your projects. So this type of questions are comes under the basic questions related to projects. So Ayush completed the Deloitte virtual internship experience from the Forage platform. So there is like virtual internship, so there is 2 to 3 questions are from virtual internships, like what you learn in the particular Deloitte virtual internship program. So I already mentioned that from the Forage website, okay, you have to go to Forage website. This website is free for internship, so you can check free virtual internship and you can complete in the form of 2 to 3 hours. So Ayush already completed the virtual internship from the Deloitte, so they just mentioned that what type of modules he learned in the particular internship. These questions are in the MR round, but there is one of the most important point. This is the some basic, like there is a situation based question in the MR round, and the situation based question is related to the present condition. Suppose there is some delay in the onboarding process according to the requirement, so what is your opinion? आयुष से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, जब आयुष ने मुझे ये पीडीएफ शेयर की और हमें बताया कि इस टाइप से हमें क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, तो मैं भी खुद यहाँ पर मतलब स्ट्रिंग हो गया कि यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं किस टाइप से टीसीएस टीम ने डायरेक्टली ये क्वेश्चन आस्क किया है, जो कि एक सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, यू हैव टू नॉट मेंशन लाइक इफ टीसीएस इज योर ड्रीम कंपनी, okay, and if you clear the TCS recruitment and the interview and the onboarding is delay, okay, and the onboarding is delay for the sum of the month, or it is delay, so you have to know, not mention like I am not waiting for the this, I am going for another one, okay. You have to mention in that time I increase my skill set that is related to new trending technology. So this is the best answer that is related to this question. Okay, आपको ये नहीं बताना है कि आप बिल्कुल कंपनी को छोड़ दी देंगे या फिर आप आगे की प्रोसेस में पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं करेंगे. इफ देयर इज एनी डिले, आई विल इंक्रीज माय स्किल सेट दैट इज रिलेटेड टू न्यू ट्रेंडिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. मतलब मैं फ्री नहीं बैठा रहूंगा, मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो करूंगा. दिस इज द सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो व्हाट आर द एचआर क्वेश्चन? Why do you want to join TCS? How was your NQT exam experience? And reallocation shift bond related question. These are the questions that are asked by interviewer in the HR questions in the HR round. So this all that is related to the particular interview experience and the morning slot. I hope this video is useful for everyone, and I already shared so many videos for all of you. We want support from all of you. Please at least like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.